Good morning and welcome to day 6 of my August vlog. Today I'm at work and I've got quite a bit of sewing to do today. I've got some bags to make and I've got to do a bit of work on a sample quilt, and I've got 1 or 2 orders to pack up, and I need to have my breakfast as well. Today's not very exciting, I'm afraid. I've got a pot of muller rice and a bottle of water. So I'll see you later. Right, I've got a couple of orders to get packaged up and posted out today. Hogwarts bag for somebody, and I've just got some new tags for my products, which I think are absolutely wonderful. My daughter Adele did the design for me, and then we sent that off to a little business on Instagram called, I think it's Jen's Little Tea, and she printed and cut them out for me. So if that's right, I will add the link down below. Today's lunch, not very healthy, but tasty. Just got back home from the Nook and I'm absolutely soaked. Can't believe it. Now I need to go and have a shower. Right, I'm just going to make some energy balls and I'm using a firm cotton book and there's chocolate and goji berry bars, that's what it is in the book, but I'm making them into balls. So we want some almonds and some coconut oil. And some dates. Haven't got any goji berries, so I put oh, what have I put in? I put some apricots in. So now we want some cacao powder. And that's everything, so now we're going to give it a blast, mix it all up. So I'm going to give it a little mix round now, make sure it's all chopped up and the cacao powder's all mixed in. So we're making some balls. We should get about 18 or 20 out of this mixture. And then we just pop them in the fridge for a couple of hours. And then you store them in an airtight container in the fridge and they'll last for about a week. There we go, all ready now to go in the fridge. Well, I think I'm going to call it a day today. I'm going to do some sock knitting tonight and try and get my first sock finished. So I just want to say thank you for joining me and I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye.